Tool theft is on the rise, and you can't earn a living without your kit. I'm going to show you a product that can help keep your valuable tools safer than ever. This impressive piece of kit is the Van Volt Outback. Originally designed for use on the back of pickup trucks, it's also widely used in vans for storing larger tools. It's certified by Secured by Design, the UK's official police approved standard. Its heavy-duty steel body has been designed to withstand the most determined attack. Robust security features such as the tamper-proof internal hinge, crossbar reinforcing and the flush front closing lid keep thieves out. And then there is the Volt Lock locking system. 2 locks housed deep within the body of the box, shielded by hardened steel plates, giving advanced protection from drilling, cutting and picking. And to make your working day easier, the Van Volt Outback has been designed so there's loads of room to fit your kit inside. Thieves will always want to get into your van, but the Van Volt Outback means proper protection, keeping your tools more secure than ever. Let's stop making it easy for thieves. Van Volt, stored and secured.